Hi, I'm Marna and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I am so excited to show you my little Chubby Blythe's new dress from the pattern that I tweaked up for her. These dolls are, well, there are no patterns out there that work out for the Mimi Bobek body. I bought one on Etsy and I'm sure it would fit the body if the hand span wasn't so far apart. I couldn't get the top on after I spent, well, several hours making the dress. So I've been working on my own patterns and tweaking patterns, and actually I'm really having fun because I love Blythe dolls and I love a sewing challenge, and the mini Blythes, the petites, and the middies especially, along with the chubby and even my boy Blythes. I have a third one coming, so I have 3 boy Blythes that I bought as boys from AliExpress. They are just fun. There is so much you can do with a Blythe doll. Just the list goes on and on. Marjorie did get new beads. I do not have sleepy eyes on her, which is something else you can do in a custom with your Blythe dolls. Photography is a big thing. It's just fun. I have a new website called whimsicalblythe.com. It is brand new, and I'm working on it every few days, trying to get it filled out and built up and pictures taken. I'm not good at pictures. I'll sew all day long, but to take a picture, I'm terrible. But anyway, I'm building that up and filling it out, and we're offering some things for sale, including this dress. And I'm really having fun with it. I have a long line of dolls waiting for face-ups and outfits, and you know, they each get their day, and I love it. It keeps me busy, it keeps my mental health good, and it just makes me happy. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.